Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. Hope you guys are doing great. In this particular video, we will see a series of days of trading for this particular week. Basically, how a week goes for a trader. So, hope you enjoyed a day in a life of a day trader, and this is going to be a week in the life of a trader. Today, the market opened a big gap down, and the worst part was I was having a position holding a future position I was holding, and market opened gap down. Thankfully I had hedged my position and kept, so that when the stock goes against, I am a little bit safer and I can manage my capital. So that was Coromandel September future. Okay, so it was almost gone negative. You can see the open price was very low, but because I hedged my positions with options, I was a bit safe there. And finally, when market, after opening, it came up, stocks recovered to their levels. So during that time, finally my futures came up, and once this goes up, the put option goes down, right? So this one saved me, and when this came up, this one went a little bit negative, but end of the day, managed to scalp around 3,000 in this particular trade, that is Coromandalam. And currently in IND Hotel. So after a long correction, it has come down from 170 levels. It has come down. So I have taken up positions in this lower levels. You see here, from this 170 levels, it has come down. Okay, so I have just taken in these levels. It has gone up to now around 164 levels, and again, the profit bookings are high here. You see, one single candle, it comes down, but I'm just seeing whole day how it can go. So I just set my target right now here. So let's see, 164.5. Let's see if it can hit today itself, because it just crossed that level, so, and came down. So I thought I'll set my target here. It is going for a next rally, can either touch this and give the profits. And one more position was M&M Finance. So M&M Finance, we did the same thing. So we had hedged the positions for our safety. Even though it went negative, our options, okay, the PE options had saved us from the negative side. And finally, when the stock came up, okay, from negative, this 13,000 was in negative value. So when this came up, this positive became a negative. Basically, I hedged my positions on Friday, thankfully, because what happens Monday when gap down happens, stock also opens from gap down. So suddenly you will see 20-30,000 negative in your portfolio. So if you don't manage your funds, and if you don't have extra funds, then it gets squared off also. So you need to be very careful. In that way, it was fine. So hedged position. So we managed to get out 6,000 rupees, 6,800 rupees around. So this is a single trade. So I exited together in market order. So in angel broking, I'm getting to exit in market order, whereas in Zerodha, it's asking limit order. Let's see what exactly the difference is. Currently, there is a trade in GMR Infra, that is 34.32. Okay, and I also hedged the position and kept in case it goes further down, because I don't want it to go fall down and down. If it's going down, then again this position is going to save me, even though I hold my position. Time is 12:35. My expectation is the stock can go up to, it has gone already to 35 levels. It was in upper circuit levels. So once it came down, I took more quantity. I hedged my position, and with the help of that funds, I took more quantity, right? So actually capital used is only 2.5 lakh for this, because I have hedged my position. Okay, so the invested amount here is only 2.5 lakh rupees. It's a hedged position. So instead of giving 20-30 lakhs, because I have hedged my positions, the margin required is less. So I increased my lot size also, and every 10 paisa fluctuation is like 9,000 rupees fluctuation. So it's a small amount movement for this one, because this is 34 rupees stock. So 30 paisa is like 1%, right? So it's a big movement stock. So yes, the upper circuit is broken, and it has gone up to 36 something, 36 point, let me see. The upper circuit has been updated to 36.35. Now that is the advantage what I'm trying to look, because profit booking took place. That's when I took my entry with more stocks and hedged positions. Okay, so I was here with only one lot with the naked positions without having any hedged, with 9,000 profit on it, expecting it to go up. What happened in 1 minute, they broke it out, and by the time I look into it, started coming down. So I decided I will hedge my positions in this level. Now what I am waiting is, I'm waiting for the next rally. If possible, it can go for one more rally if some buyers coming to picture like this. If it can go up to 34-35, that's an advantage here. So like when this one goes to positive, the option goes to negative, but the ratio will be a little bit different. maybe if I make like, let's say 20-30,000 here, I may lose 8-9-10,000 here. But end of the day, I'm protected even if it goes against me. If this one goes like negative very badly also, this is going to at least lock my losses at least to one extent. Okay, so I've taken a little bit risk here, but at least better than a naked position. And also I got more margin with less money. I got more lots here. So if you calculate, the amount required will be very high here, but we have traded only in some 2.5 lakh rupees value only. So if you see, IND Hotel is getting back to our level right now. So 50 is our target. Just closer towards this offer side. 50. Here is our order. Only one lot we have taken in this particular trade. Okay, and I've been holding this position. So today is again Tuesday, and I'm holding this position. I was just waiting for GMR Infra to come up. So I had hedged my position just to reduce my capital required and have some additional funds in the account, and as well protect myself in case there is a major fall. Finally, GMR Infra has crossed above its own buy value. So now it is trading here. So around 24,000 is what we are able to see over here. So that's how it's getting hedged. So when it went negative also, this side was helping me. It was reducing my loss, and it will limit my loss at one number. And currently now when it's going towards my direction, yes, it will eat up your profit, but end of the day you're making at least some money, right? So instead of buying let's say one lot, I was able to buy 4 lots with the same money. Let's say around, let's say 2,30,000, I'm able to buy 4 lots because I've hedged my positions. So if I don't hedge, if it's a naked position, then I would have taken only one lot and then I would have gone. Just that when I hold, I have a risk. That's the reason I hedged, or else on the same day I would have not hedged my positions. I would have waited for my target. Only when it went against me, I try to hedge my positions and wait for the stock to come up. So I have enough time. Even if it goes down, I have enough time to wait. So in that reason, I have hedged my positions, and then when it came down, I averaged a little bit with the lots. That's how we have taken advantage. So currently I'm waiting for an exit in this stock. So let's see if it has further move, because when I exit, I will normally exit in market order in angel broking. So there will be a small correction in price happening because the bid and the offer will have a difference. In this case, 5 paisa difference is there. So that one will minus from this amount, but end of the day, whatever is green will be a green. So let's see. And IND Hotel. So IND Hotel, I already took a trade yesterday and then closed the positions, and again I took a fresh trade with 2 lot by hedging of positions. I got one more. I just took one more quantity. So capital used here is only 1,10,000 something. With 1,10,000, I'm just taking this trade. Currently it has come up. The problem is now in Zerodha, now I cannot exit this in market order, and that is a gap between, if you see, if I exit this 7.55, it will take around, let's say 4.75. So 1 or 2 rupees, the liquidity issues there here. I have to put a limit order also and wait for that to execute, because current market price is standing around 7.55, whereas the last order executed was at 1 o'clock. Time is around 1:45 now. So I'll just on my time for you guys. Time is around 1:45. So that if I hit market order, yes, I will be taking a negative value here. Let's say 1 rupee, negative 1 rupee will be around 7,800 from my pocket, right? So this is almost going down. 1.5, now 2.5 rupees down from 7 rupees. This is 2.5 rupees down. This is not a good sign. So let's allow the stock to deviate more towards the upper side. Okay, so that we have enough margin and then we can exit. This one is yet to go further. Let's wait and watch. So if you see here, there was a good push in the stock right now. So almost 42 right now. Okay, finally I have exited my position. Somehow I exited by placing a limit order for this and 35.45. Later it went up again, and I just sold this in market order because the stock is again going up. So this price should not decrease. Therefore, I just sold this. So you see there is a difference right now, and we have made a profit around 46,800. So the capital of this trade only. Okay, for this trade I have used overall a capital of 2.26 2 lakh something, because I have taken a hedge position, so I've got margin and I could take more quantities. All right, so the profit is almost like 20-25% profit. So we have made around 25 close to 25% profit in this particular hedge trade. So guys, today is Wednesday and I'm not at my studio. So we had a sudden work here. So me and my wife had to come to my brother's house to take care of the kids. So as a part of a trader's time is like this. We can go and trade anywhere. So I'm here. So anyways, I'll just show you position. So IND hotel, still we are waiting, because you see this is my position and this is the hedge positions, and it's almost 2 to 3 days now, and I'm not getting my profit out here. But anyways, I'll just wait for this to turn green, because it's taking a lot of time. Apart from that, I hedged in PVR. In PVR, if you see here, this is my futures. So I hedged my futures and I just took 2 lots, okay, with 3 lots with very less capital required for this. So I booked around 18,000, and 7,000 is the hedged value, which went negative later. So overall around, let's say 11,000. Okay, so 11,000 profit in this. Now Zeal is something which I'm trying to catch, because it is just hitting upper circuit, right? So I didn't get my order. Finally at market order, it took at second upper circuit 308. I had hedged my position first. I just took an option position first, so that I get an easy entry, less capital required to enter, or else you need 6 lakh to just enter this 2 lots. So first I entered here and I wanted to enter here. By then, it took a lot of time to enter here, because I'll just show you where's my cursor. So Zeal, so if you see, Zeal is hitting the upper circuit, and it's not that you'll get an entry easily. See here, early morning it opened in upper circuit, again within 1 minute it went to next upper circuit. So my fine 295 order didn't get executed. Within 1 minute, next upper circuit got hit. So during that time, I just put a limit order and kept. If you see here, someone offloaded their shares, so that time I got my orders done. So I'm just hoping for a breakout upside. I don't want them to book profits and get this down. The number of shares are getting down, if you see here, but I don't want this to go down easily like that. Yes, before itself in Zeal, I had seen 320, 330 and all that, because there are a lot of good news and you see a lot of big players entering into this stock. But like on every day there will be a manipulation happening. Now let's say from here they can exit and book their profit also. See, now the changes happen, and now live things changed here. The upper circuit has been changed. So currently it is breaking, and few of them are booking profits right from the upside. So it went up to how much? It has gone up to 314, and let's see if the upper circuit has been updated. Let me refresh. Yeah, so the upper circuit is 321 currently. So the stock is trading around 312 and so on. So few of them are booking their profit. That's the reason you can see it's coming down. And that's the reason you see sell orders. Till now there was 0 sell orders, like you saw. It was stuck in the upper circuit. So I'll give some time, because I don't have to worry. I have hedged my position, so I know that if one side is giving profit, another side may give loss, but that's fine for me. I will allow the stock to go towards my directions if it has still potential, so that we can try to gain the maximum money out here. Anyways, I'm in a setup, my brother's setup I'm using. I'm not that familiar using this 2 screens like this. I have my system desktop, a little bit of different feel, but anyways, I'll adjust using here. So guys, I just had my breakfast and came, and I'm having my tea here. So I got an exit in my Zeal. Finally, when Zeal went up, I booked. You see here, this is Zeal. So Zeal 308 is what we got the entry, right? So 319, so almost close to 10 to 11 rupees is what we have hit on that. Somewhere around 3%, 3.2 or 3.3%, and we managed to book 63,000. And the Zeal option, the hedge position what I kept, I just closed it with 5,000 loss. So anyways, here let's say if it is around 57 to 58,000 is what we got in Zeal. So that is one wonderful thing, with the very less capital, because I hedged my position. The capital required was very less, and I had my enough capital for my safety purpose. If it is going negative too much, I could have averaged out, because I have my capital because of this hedge position, all that. So anyways, I just took my position. So overall, today we have ended up with 69,566. And best part is I got my exit in my IND hotel. I was waiting, and you see the option was getting decayed to negative 38,000 finally. And finally, my stock came up as per my directions of 56,000, and we recovered to positive. So I closed in market order. This one, like in Zerodha, I'm not able to exit in market order, but in angel booking, most of the time I exit in market order. So 18,000 is what we got end of the day. Finally, that is an exit over there.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
So we have Apollo Tire trade 18,900 and 8,000. So almost close to 10,000, and PVR finally 10,000, and finally I took a trade in Zeal. One more trade, just with one lot again I traded, and 1,24,000 is where we ended up, and here the hedge is almost there itself, not much up. So almost 1,18,000 we got in Zeal. So Zeal was here we got 10,000, here we got 10,000. Zeal was a jackpot, close to 1,18,000 or 1,20,000 we got here. So Zeal was a jackpot trade today because the movement was there. Even in secret Telegram channel, that's what I hinted. And yes, here the same old trades, 2 trades and 25,000. So overall close to 1,65,000 is what we have got today. So I will end my trade for this particular week because Zeal has given me a jackpot trade basically, so I don't have to trade much. In other trades, around 25 and 20, so 45 is what we made, and Zeal has only given me 1,40,000 around, so it's a jackpot trade, so I don't have to trade the other next 2 days also for the week. So I'll end this week's trading, and I may scalp small amount, like 0.3%. I may scalp just to clear my weekend expenses. I may scalp only, but I feel it is done for this particular week. So therefore, for 3 days only, I'm closing this particular week. Sometimes market gives you everything in 1 day, 2 days, 3 days also. Sometimes you hold on. Maybe you may not get anything this week. You hold on to next week, and then you book your profit. So different weeks are different. So not every week is like this. If Zeal would have not given me much, tomorrow I would have traded, and Friday also I would have traded. But Zeal gave me jackpot, so I don't have to break my head for 2 days. And moreover, I was sitting here itself. If I was at my home, I would have got diverted going here and there. But here I didn't have anything much to do, so I was sitting in this room. So I was concentrating more and scalping at each levels. So that's how I took advantage. So that was more about a day in a week of a trader. Hope you guys liked it. See you soon with one more such trading videos. So hit that subscribe and like button. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.